Here's a great recipe for a banana cake. 3/4 cup of butter softened, 1½ cups of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 cup of mashed bananas, ½ a cup of sour cream, ½ teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 cups of flour, ½ a cup of chopped walnuts. In a mixer, cream the butter and add your sugar until blended. Add the eggs one at a time. Add your mashed bananas and sour cream. In a bowl, blend your flour, baking powder, baking soda, and nuts. Add the dry ingredients into the creamed ingredients, then mix until blended. Pour your batter into a tube pan that has been greased and floured, or you can use a baking spray. Bake at 350 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. Time may vary depending on your oven. Check it with a toothpick. When it comes out clean, it's done. Here's what it looks like when it's done.